Good morning, my name is Nathalie. I am in 5th grade and today I'm going to show you about eukaryotes and prokaryotes, the 6 kingdoms. This is chapter 1, lesson 3. The 6 kingdoms. The 6 kingdoms divides into 2 groups, eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are bacteria, and these are 2 kingdoms, archaebacteria and eubacteria. The eukaryotes, we have 4 kingdoms, animals, plants, protists, and fungi. Animals then divide into 2 other groups, vertebrates and non-vertebrates. Prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are single-cell organisms. Out of the 2 kingdoms, we have bacteria. Humans are not prokaryotes because, who can tell me why? Nico.
Because prokaryotes are single-cell organisms and we are multi-cell organisms.
And this is archaebacteria and this is eubacteria, the 2 types of bacteria. Eukaryotes. Animals are multi-celled. Here's an example. Plants are also multi-celled. Protists are mostly single-celled and fungi are multi-celled. Vertebrates. Vertebrates are organisms that have a vertebrate. A vertebrate is a backbone, right, like around here. Examples of canines, felines, some reptiles like crocodile, and family, etc. like frogs and all that. Non-vertebrates. Here's an example, a snail. A snail does not have a vertebrate. Non-vertebrates do not have a vertebrate, no backbone. Examples, snails, octopuses, certain fish, etc. Extra information. About the vertebrate, this is the backbone, or the vertebrate. This is like a percentage of the amount of vertebrates. Fish, 55%. Primate vertebrates, 4%. Mammals, 8%. Birds, 16%. Reptiles, 12%. Amphibians, 5%. Test. How are the eukaryotes different from prokaryotes? Sass.
Then eukaryotes are not vertebrate, and prokaryotes are eukaryotes are multi-cell, and prokaryotes are single-cell.
Yeah, but remember, in every type, in most things, not only in language arts, but sometimes in science too, there are exceptions. For example, the protists are mostly single-celled, but anywhere they're eukaryotes. How are fungi, but very good. How are fungi and protists different, and how are they alike? Seth.
The difference between fungi and protists is that fungi are mostly single-celled and protists are mostly multi-celled, and they are alike that they
Prokaryotes or eukaryotes?
they are prokaryotes, sorry.
Eukaryotes. This is a free question, so there's not really an answer. There's an answer, but it's free. Example of an organism that belongs to the eukaryotes, that is a vertebrate. Just whatever animal. There's
Humans are vertebrates.
a human is a vertebrate. Yeah.
Like cats and horses are vertebrates.
Mammals are vertebrates. And what is a vertebrate? And Felipe.
A vertebrate is the backbone that you have in your back so that you are
Stable.
Actually,
stable.
that we have a slight mistake on your presentation. A vertebrate is an animal or an organism, a mammal that has vertebrae.
Yeah.
And one vertebrae is vertebrae is plural. One vertebrae is a vertebra. A vertebrate is an animal that has vertebrae. So you need to correct that, yes.
Yeah. Anyway, and the vertebrate, the animal, is an animal that has a vertebrae.
That's right.
Okay. Thanks for your time. Thanks for paying attention in Elementary 3. Miss Susana, Miss Rebecca, and thank you, Mr. White.